Ayun, akala ko ano lang, biro-biro lang. Hanggang sa nagmomotor na kami, nag-stroll kami lagi sa city. Tapos sa pier, kain lagi, mag after work. Tapos parang sabi ko, seryoso na yata to. So yun, tuloy-tuloy na siya.
First encounter flag ceremony nun, yung nag-lead ng prayer, siya.
Actually, napansin ko siya sa office. Sa isang spot, nakita ko siya nagbabasa ng caudal.
Pumasok kami sa loob, nagkanya-kanyang table, kanya-kanyang station. Dumaan siya.
Walls feel out of place. There's a beauty in every storm. Look, and you'll see the sun keeps rising, the birds keep flying. All that you need. At first just die. I'm right beside you, right beside.
Dumating siya, tapos doon ko parang na-realize na parang destiny ba to, ganyan. Kasi di ba originally 5-year ako. Tapos may mga times na nagpapalipat na ako. Tapos nung dumating siya, parang nagkaroon ako ng reason to stay.
If there's one thing na I'm very thankful for her, it's just the fact na andyan lang siya lagi.
Kasi in totality, sobra-sobra siyang magmahal sa akin.
And you'll see the sun keeps rising, the birds keep flying. All that you need. At first just dive. I'm right beside you, right beside.
And then there, nag-decide ako na sabi ko, I guess it's time. Kasi it's something that I've prolonged long enough.
Hindi ko alam na papakasalan niya talaga ako ganun.
And you'll see the sun keeps rising, the birds keep flying. All that you need. At first just dive. I'm right beside you, right beside you.
Sorsogon for me is home. Kahit saan man ako dalhin sa buhay, mag-abroad, kung saan ako pumunta, at the end of the day, I go back home. And thankful ako na dumating si Ange sa buhay ko kasi home never felt better simula nung dumating siya.